Looking for the perfect hatchback? Look no further than the Hyundai Elantra GT. Including the first ever N-Line model in Canada, the Elantra GT N Line. Both equipped with a very impressive list of standard features. But first, let's talk about the Elantra GT. This sporty hatchback style features standard LED daytime running lights. And LED turn signal indicators help let other drivers know of your intention to make a turn. And yes, alloy wheels are standard on the Elantra GT. For even more convenience, you only have to press a button to get in. No need to dig for your keys. With the proximity key, simply push the ignition button and you're off. Inside, the impressive interior space has been designed to please the eye. Warm up to our chilly Canadian winters with the standard heated front seats and steering wheel. And with the dual-zone automatic climate control, both you and your front passenger can ride in the comfort of your choice. Just set your individual preferences so you each enjoy your own temperature for the journey. Road trip calling? With the 60/40 split-fold seats, you can pack all your gear into the Elantra GT's versatile hatch. With Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, you can access your favorite playlist, plus all your apps on the floating touchscreen so you won't miss a beat. Open the panoramic sunroof and catch a glimpse of a stunning sunrise, or spot a shooting star. At Hyundai, safety is paramount. It starts at the core with the superstructure. Constructed with our very own advanced high-strength steel, the Elantra GT provides a safe and smooth ride. Then there's Hyundai's SmartSense, our suite of available driver assistance technologies that actively monitor your surroundings. Before switching lanes, the standard blind spot collision warning lets you know if a vehicle is in your blind spot. Plus, our innovative system senses the speed of the vehicle in the adjacent lane. If it's approaching faster than you can safely make the lane change, it will signal an alarm. When reversing out of a tight parking spot, the standard rear cross-traffic collision warning system will warn you of a vehicle approaching from either side, even before appearing in the rear-view camera. The Elantra GT features a powerful and efficient 2.0-liter GDI engine paired with a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission. Now, ready to learn more about the Elantra GT N Line? Inspired by our Motorsports Division N, the Elantra GT N Line offers enhanced performance capabilities and sportier design cues. Under the hood is a powerful 1.6-liter turbocharged engine delivering 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. Pair it with the 6-speed manual or 7-speed dual-clutch transmission with steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters. The multi-link suspension further enhances your ride by delivering sportier driving dynamics. The exclusive N-Line design features a more aggressive front bumper framed by sportier daytime running lights. LED lighting technology comes standard up front and behind with LED taillights that are accompanied by a sporty dual chrome-tipped exhaust. 18-inch alloy wheels with larger front and rear brakes further enhance the driving dynamics and stopping performance. Inside, enjoy an elevated interior that matches the Elantra GT N Line's performance. Take control with the perforated leather N Line exclusive steering wheel and sink into the heavily bolstered leather seats, which are heated for extra winter warmth and ventilated for hot summer days. The Elantra GT N Line is filled with the same great comfort and convenience features as the Elantra GT. Plus, an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support to make long commutes even more comfortable. A navigation system to make it easier to find your next road trip destination. A premium Infinity audio system with 8 speakers for rich surround sound. And BlueLink, putting ultimate convenience in your hand. It turns your smartphone into a remote control, so you stay connected to your vehicle wherever you are. Finally, the Elantra GT N Line also features a wealth of our Hyundai SmartSense safety technologies. Forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection applies emergency braking to help avoid potential frontal collisions with vehicles or pedestrians. With lane departure warning, audio and visual signals warn you if you start drifting out of your lane. If no action is taken, Lane Keeping Assist can apply corrective steering assistance to remain within the lane. High Beam Assist monitors light conditions and approaching vehicles to automatically turn your high beams on or off. And driver attention warning will issue an alert suggesting a driving brake if driver fatigue is detected. Adaptive cruise control continuously adjusts your preset driving speed to keep a specific distance from the vehicle ahead. The Elantra GT and Elantra GT N Line are backed by one of the best warranties in Canada. Plus, you're covered with the 5-year unlimited kilometer roadside assistance program available 24/7. Whether you choose the Elantra GT or the performance-elevated Elantra GT N Line, enjoy a wealth of impressive standard features and the best that hatchback design, space, and performance have to offer.